Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have CPI inflation data for the US dollar today. Actually, gold didn't have nearly as dramatic as a move as most of the other dollar pairs. We still haven't technically broken structure, so if it actually does make an impulsive engulfing move to the upside out of Fibonacci, I would still take it as a long opportunity. But one thing we do have to kind of keep in mind is on the much higher time frames, we are bouncing off a Fibonacci level. It actually may be kind of more likely that it does make at least a few days worth of corrective movement before it does end up continuing up. But the trend is up, and I still think we are in a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly and monthly. Though 3 of 3 is a very strong uptrend, so if it does make an engulfing move to the upside at one of these fib levels, I would still take it as a long. If this is a 3 of 3, which I think it is, then it very easily could just keep on trending up. But probably more likely that it will make at least a couple days worth of correction, possibly before it does go up, maybe even take out these lows and make a correction to the last series of higher highs, higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website program or my membership program. That gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.